After a long time, I am back to create videos. I feel for those who think I am gone, but after every night, the dawn comes. It was my first smartphone, which I bought in 2016 for 10,000 rupees. It is a Samsung Note 3, and I have many memories with it, so I want to restore it. The major problem was that the phone was completely dead and there was an issue with the charging base. You may watch a full video on my YouTube channel SmartFill. I will create more videos on mobile restoration. Subscribe SmartFill.